Hey guys, today I'll be building an actual Pokeball that allows you to store Pokemon Tretta chips. So we begin with 6 different 3D printed parts from Thingiverse. The files to the prints will be in the description below. The 6 different pieces includes 2 outer shells, 1 lower container, 1 upper container, a hinge, and a button piece. Once printed, we begin with our support structure removal. The hinge was very cleverly designed. After removing the support structures, all you needed to do was to give it a good whack, and the internal weak points will break, allowing it to function as a normal hinge. Next up, we begin sanding to remove the layer lines and allow for a smoother painting surface. Beginning from a file, moving to 80 grit sandpaper, and then to 180 grit sandpaper, and finally to 1000 grit sandpaper. This is the result. So smooth. We start the painting process by spraying on a generous amount of primer paint. Following that, we spray on the intended color for each and every piece of the model. After the paint dries, we can remove the tape covering the spots that were not meant to be painted. I decided to assemble the Pokeball with super glue, starting by attaching both containers to the hinge. The installation of the magnets was a bit tricky. To begin, you have to make sure that the polarity of the magnets are correct. In this case, I painted all the north sides of the magnets black, allowing me to clearly identify which side is which. To attach the outer shells, I used a polymer glue. This glue took about 24 hours to set, but it allowed the bond between the shell and the container to be a lot stronger. Finally, with a little bit of super glue, you can glue on the final button and the whole build will be complete.